In this video, I want to talk about simplifying negative radicands. So what happens if you're taking the square root of a number and it turns out that the square root has a negative number under it? Now, you probably learned in previous math courses that you cannot take the square root of a negative number. That's true. But with a little caveat, you can actually take the square root of a negative number, but you will not have real solutions. You will have imaginary solutions. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these problems that I wanted to show you. This is going to be the square root of negative 25. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, we all know that the square root of 25 is 5, but you have this negative sign under the radical. But what you can do is, you can always pull a negative sign out of a square root by taking it out as an I. So let me go ahead and do that to show you what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this negative sign out as an I. Then we can do the square root of 25. And we all know that the square root of 25 is 5. So let me go ahead and put the 5 right in front of the I. And there we go. Let's go ahead and try another example. Let's try the square root of negative 12. So we all know that we can take the negative out as an I, so let me go ahead and try that. But now we still have the square root of 12. Well, 12 isn't a perfect square, we all know that. But we all know that 12 has factors that might be perfect squares. We know that 12 is 2 times 6. None of those are perfect squares. So let's take a look at some more factors. We also know that 12 is 3 times 4. Bingo, that's our perfect square. We're going to take the 4 out as a 2. So we all know that 12 is 3 times 4. Let me go ahead and write that down over here beside it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to underline the perfect square, and I'm going to take it out as its square root. And we end up with 2i on the outside of the radical with a 3 on the inside of the radical that we cannot take out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, you can go ahead and like and subscribe, and have a great day.